Question 13 says that ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC. So here's a trapezium I've drawn with AB parallel to DC. A line parallel to AC intersects AB at X and BC at Y. So we draw the diagonal AC, and then we draw a line parallel to AC which intersects AB at X and BC at Y. We have to prove that the area of triangle ADX is equal to the area of triangle ACY. So to draw these triangles, we will have to join AY and DX. So triangle ADX is this triangle ADX. We have to show that its area is equal to the area of triangle ACY, and ACY is this triangle that I've highlighted in blue. So the problem is to show that the areas of these two triangles are equal. We also have a hint that tells us to join CX. So let's do that. Let's join CX. Now here's the logic we will use to solve this problem. First, we will show that the area of triangle ADX is equal to the area of triangle ACX, because these two triangles are on the same base AX and between the same parallels AX and DC. Okay, next we will show that the area of triangle ACX, which I am highlighting again, is the same as the area of triangle ACY, because these two triangles are on the same base AC and between the same parallels AC and XY. So summarizing this logic once again, the area of ADX is the same as the area of ACX, and the area of ACX is the same as the area of ACY, and that would mean that the area of ADX and ACY are equal. So this is the logic we'll use. So let's now write out the proof step by step. Okay, so first we will compare triangle ADX and triangle ACX. So in triangle ADX and triangle ACX, they are on the same base. What is that same base? Observe the figure carefully. That same base is AX. So they are on the same base AX, and they are between the same parallels. What are the same parallels? AX and DC. So they are between the parallels AX and DC, and this means that their areas are equal. So area of ADX is the same as the area of ACX. Okay, now in the next step, we are going to compare the area of triangle ACX with that of triangle ACY. So in this step, we will write triangle ACX and triangle ACY. They are on the same base. What is the same base in this case? Observe the figure carefully. The same base in this case is AC. So they are on the same base AC, and they are between the same parallels, and the same parallels are AC and this line here XY. So same parallels AC and XY, and this means that their areas are also equal. So area of ACX is equal to area of ACY. So we have the area of ADX is the same as the area of ACX, and the area of ACX is the same as the area of ACY. From these two observations, ADX and ACX have equal areas, and ACX and ACY have equal areas. From these two observations, we can now conclude that area of ADX is the same as the area of ACY. So if I make this red triangle invisible, the triangle we used to show this equality, we can now see that the area of ADX and ACY, they will be equal. So this completes the proof of question 13. So this completes the proof of question 13.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.